Car Toys here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Play-Doh pizza.
Hey, did somebody say pizza? Oh, I gotta find that pizza. Come on, back end, keep up with the front.
Hey, Slinky Dog, what are you doing here? Do you want to help make some pizza?
Oh, yes, I really love pizza.
Great, I'd love the help. For this pizza, all we need is dark brown Play-Doh, and light brown Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and white Play-Doh, and then some Play-Doh tools. Slinky, you are nodding your head a lot. You must be a really good listener.
Yes, I am. And I also nod my head when I'm really excited. For pizza.
To make the pizza, we'll start with the Play-Doh crust. I'm going to roll out some light brown Play-Doh. And to make sure we have a nice round crust, I'm going to use a lid from a butter container to trace out a big circle. And for the outside of the crust, we want to fold it in to make it thicker on the outside. So I'm going to use the bottom of the butter container to make an indent, to push the inside of the crust down a little bit, and form a little extra dough on the edges that we can fold up and turn it into more of a pizza crust. The next thing we need to do is add some pizza sauce. You don't want to put real sauce on this, so we're going to just use some red Play-Doh. I'm going to freehand cut out a circle. Then just place the sauce on top of the pizza crust, and we'll take the outer edge of the pizza crust and fold it over a little bit. So what do you think, Slinky Dog?
I think it needs cheese.
Yes, of course, Slinky Dog. Of course we're going to add cheese. And you can even use a cheese grater to grate your Play-Doh cheese. This is just like grating real mozzarella cheese.
Oh boy, look, there's some extra cheese that didn't make it to the pizza. Don't worry, I'll help you out, Disney Car Toys.
Thanks for helping me clean up, Slinky Dog. Now we've got to give our pizza some toppings. A cheese pizza is just a little too boring. So we'll make a sausage and pepperoni pizza. For the sausage, just take some dark brown Play-Doh, roll it up in a ball, and then stab it a little bit with your Play-Doh knife just to rough it up a little bit. Make it look like little sausage pieces. And then continue the entire pizza. So what do you think, Slinky Dog?
Oh, I just want to eat it now.
Not yet. We need some pepperoni. And I'm going to just stamp out the pepperoni using the red Play-Doh and then a little Play-Doh plastic ice cream cone. See, now we have pepperoni.
Oh wow, I can eat that too right now.
Nope, not yet either. We gotta add little white flecks to our pepperoni to look like little fat pieces in the pepperoni. Kinda gross, but that's what it is. And then we can place the pepperoni on our pizza, and we're done! See, here's our pizza. It looks delicious.
Oh yeah, it looks so good. I am ready to eat it right now. Yay!
Oh wait, I forgot. I have one more thing. I've got to cut it first, and I have no idea where my pizza cutter went, so I'll just use my Play-Doh knife.
Alright. Just please cut it quickly. I am so hungry.
Hey, don't worry. You'll get your pizza soon enough. Here, I'll even feed it to you, okay?
Oh, yum. Yum. Definitely worth the wait. I love it.
Oh yeah, I can totally tell. How cute your tail's wagging. Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video. Hello, Disney Car Toys here, and today we are going to play with the Peppa Pig Peek and Surprise Playhouse. And with this Peppa Pig house, we're going to do something really special. We're going to play a look and find game. In each room, I hid some Play-Doh treats, and Peppa and her brother George have to go look and find them. Alrighty, is everybody ready? Let's start in the kitchen. Ooh, looks like George found something. What's underneath that chair? Ooh, a little pink piece of Play-Doh candy. George will pick that up and we'll put it in a pile. A lot of the pieces of furniture in this house are flip and play pieces, like the table. Go get it, George. We flipped over the table and we have a surprise cookie. Let's grab it and go. Poor Peppa Pig hasn't had a turn yet. This is an easy one. Just a little wafer cookie on her chair. Wow, and that was just the dining room. We've got to start on the kitchen. There's an orange stuck to the fridge. That's ridiculous. Go get it, Peppa. Let's take a look at one of the flip and play pieces. Inside the oven is a strawberry. You can't bake strawberries. Go get that one too. Let's see, does the sink flip? Right now we've got dirty dishes. and inside a little yellow piece of candy on the clean side. Oh boy, this candy's extra sticky. Oh, you're taking the whole sink. Peppa Pig has had a lot of turns, so now it's her brother George's turn, and he got an easy one, just a wafer cookie on top of the TV. Now the TV is another flip and play piece. Inside the TV, if we turn it around, we have a heart-shaped candy. That candy's perfect for Valentine's Day. There's just 2 more treats left. Do you see them? Yep, there's one on the couch. And there's another treat on the wall. Actually, on the lampshade. Let's get it, George. Oh, there we go, you got it. Now it's time to go upstairs, but wait, look, there's a little orange stuck to the staircase. The stairs are clear, so now Peppa and George can go up. And where are we now? The bathroom. Ew, there's treats in the bathroom. One stuck to the wall. Peppa's got this one. Okay, Peppa's back. And look, George is finding one behind the bathtub. Ew. There's one more treat hidden in the bathroom. Can you guess where it is? Look, it's inside the washer. Peppa's got this one, and then we'll move on to the bedroom. What do we see here? George sees a cookie stuck to the wall. Must be a really sticky Play-Doh cookie, and uh-oh, the ladder. Ah! Oh no, it fell on Peppa. Sorry, Peppa. Oh boy, Peppa just got flung around there. Since he got hurt, Peppa, I'll let you choose the next one. Hidden in the bunk bed is the world's biggest pink cookie, just for you, Peppa. There's one more piece of candy in the bedroom. Do you see it? It's underneath the bunk bed. Oh no! She totally smashed George. I'm sorry, little brother. Well, he looks fine. No serious injuries there. Let's pick up the candy. And that's our last one. Yay! And now for the best part, eating all the treats. Yum yum yum. Yum. Thank you everyone for helping us find the Play-Doh candy and treats.
Hey, snow cone. What do you think? Oh, that's a great idea, but we don't have any snow. Anna, did you forget what I can do? Oh, how silly of me. Okay, well, give us some ice to make some snow cones. Okay, I'll make a big ice ball. Wow, Elsa, you must be really hungry. I'll go get a spoon, and I guess a cup. Maybe you should get a cup too. Whoa, weird. We just picked out matching cups. That's neat. Okay, let me scoop a little bit of this shaved ice into my cup. This doesn't even look like shaved ice. It kind of looks like a big marshmallow. Well, if it tastes like a marshmallow, that's fine with me. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm going to get a really big scoop. You're right, Anna. Look how big my scoop is. I am really hungry. Now we need to get that shaved ice flavoring. Let me go see if I can find some flavors. Look, I found some grape flavor. So let me just pour it on my snow cone, and then we can eat it. I love grape snow cones. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, I love bubblegum flavored snow cones. So, whoops, just knocked over my cup. There we go. So I'm going to add some of this flavor for bubblegum. Voila! Now it's time to eat. Hey, where did our spoon go? Anna, do you know where it went? Yeah, I think it fell on the floor. Well, 5-second rule, or 5-minute rule, whatever it was. That snow cone is delicious. I love cold things. Really good, Elsa. What in the world, Anna? I know you have bubblegum flavored snow cone, but you don't need to have it all over your face like you popped a bubble with it. This reminds me of something we would have done as children. Anyway, I'm so glad that we're close friends again. Me too, Elsa. Thanks for watching, and please click on the middle of the screen to watch my video of Elsa giving the Batcave a makeover. Thank you.